Hey YouTube, welcome back to this week's English review. We're reviewing a collab this week, a Dutch collab, and it's part of a kind of a special thing. This beer is from Brewery from Amsterdam, and last year in 2018 they did a collab tour. One beer each month with a different brewery, and yeah, they got this is the 11th of the, and so after this one there's only one to go, and they released one beer each month, and this beer was released in November last year. The best before date is November 2020. It's a collaboration with Stanislaus Brewskovitch craft beer. They are from the province of Overijssel, and they brewed a beer with a brewery from every province in the Netherlands. It's a raspberry porter, and I will read what's on the back of the bottle for you. This porter is a real, I don't know what's the word in English because it's in Dutch. Sorry guys. It's supposed to be a great porter. Dark malts, fully a nice body, and loads of raspberries makes it a unique Thunderbird, because that's what the beer is called. It's called a Thunderbird. Fruity, yeah. This brewery is opening their tap room soon. We got a new brewery which they are building, so I'll post a link to the I don't know if they got a website, but if not, I will post a link to the Instagram account of this brewery. The ingredients are water, barley, malts, oatmeal, raspberry, hop, and yeast. It's a 7.5% beer, 34 IBU and 200 EBC. Yeah, I will show the label. I know if you watched the other videos or reviews I did from Bird Brewery collab tour, but I think they were only in Dutch. But they got a kind of bird thing going on. All their beers are referring to birds, and this one is called a Thunderbird. So that's nice. I don't know if it's nice. That's the case. So let's open the bottle and see if it's any good. My opinion on Burberry is their beers are not mind-blowing. They're pretty accessible for everyone who starts drinking craft beer. They're not really big on the flavor, but they're really decent, and yeah, they're pretty nice. So let's pour it in a glass and see what it looks like. Yeah, looks definitely like a porter. A light brownish hat. Color is kind of reddish brown, as you can expect from a porter. Yeah, looks nice. Let's go to the nose. Oh yeah, packed with raspberries for sure. Oh, that's nice, sweet, fruity flavors. Man, that's nice. Smells great. Let's have a taste. Cheers. Yeah, like I said, full of raspberries. Nice, sweet, fruity raspberry flavor. Look at that hat. The ribbon lacing going on. Sticks really nice to the glass. Yeah. Some nice bitterness to it. From the chocolate. Yeah, it's good. It is freaking good. I love this. Yeah. It's another great beer. Not mind-blowing like I said, but it's really nice. Yeah. I will rate this a 3.5 out of 5. It got an average on Untappd of 3.5, so yeah, it's a really nice beer. After this, there's only one more to go, and it's gonna be a collab with a Jopen from Haarlem, one of the biggest brewers from the Netherlands, craft beer brewers from the Netherlands, and yeah, that's gonna be a stout. So watch out for that one. It's not gonna be in English, but you have to read the subtitles to understand what I have to say about this beer. Yeah, 3.5 out of 5. I will post links to the breweries below the video from Bird and Stanislaus Brewskovitch. I will post links to my Instagram, Facebook and Untappd. And I will hopefully see you again next week with another English review. Cheers everyone!